Hello, my name is Sachin and I am here now to present cryptography. So, before cryptography starting, some questions must be in your mind. So, this might be what is cryptography, why we need it, what is various types of cryptography, what is Caesar cipher cryptography method, and how we use it for encrypting message, and how our decryption are done, and how it is important in our life. So your questions are important and we will answer it in our video. So guys, please watch our video and we will explain you all these things in very great detail. So let us start the video. So my project topic was cryptography in daily life. My name is Prajapati Sachin Kumar and my ID is 2019-011-25, guided by Professor Manish Gupta, and course is SC205. So this is my problem statement which was given to us. Jay wants to share his personal message to his business partner Mayank. This message is so valuable for them. If it would be read by someone else, it would be very big financial loss of them. Jay sends 1 crore rupees to Goa by road. This message read by anyone, it would be big trouble to send money to Jay. It would be stolen by someone else. Jay uses WhatsApp for send this important message. WhatsApp uses Caesar cipher cryptography for encrypt message from sender to receiver. So it would be important to decrypt as encryption message for receiver to read it. This is cryptography. So this is our question. What is cryptography? So cryptography is method of protecting information communication through the use of codes so that only for those whom the information intended can read it and process it. This has two prefix, crypt and graphy. Crypt means hidden or wallet. The suffix graphy stands for writing. So it hidden the writing what you have wrote. This is various types of cryptography, and Caesar cryptography is one of the earliest method of encryption technique. So in our particular questions, Jay's message to Mayank was send 1 crore money to Goa by road. So this was his message. So now it is time to encrypt the message so anybody else would be not able to read it. So for encrypting this message, we will use a table which is cipher table. So let me show you this cipher table. So guys, this is cipher table. This is cipher table which has given every alphabet a specific numbers which is 1 to 26 because in alphabets there are 26 letters. So A to Z we are given a 1 to 26 letters. So this is cipher table, and from this table we are giving a specific number to a character in this sentence. So let us go to this sentence and send. So send was, so here S is 19, E is 5, N is 14, or D is 4. So we will given these specific numbers to each character in our sentence. So let us do that. So from this table we have given a specific number to each character in sentence. So this is send 4 characters number, this is ONE for 3 characters number, this is crore 5 characters number, and money 5 characters number, 2 characters number, Goa 3 characters number, by 2 characters number, and ROAD 4 character numbers. So this is plain text which we have converted into numerical. So we have to convert this into cipher text. So we will use it for hash function which is hk is equal to p plus k mod 26. So here k is from 0 to 26 we can take on. So we can take on a k as a random value in this range. So suppose we want to take k is equal to 3. So we have to 90 plus 3, 22 mod 26. So here it is 22, 5 plus 3 8 mod 26 is 8. So this is how we will do it. So let me complete this sentence into this order. So from this hash function we have converted each number into this hash function and converted this plain text into ciphertext, which is ciphertext in numerical form. So we have to convert it into a alphabetic form. So this will be our ciphertext. So this is a encrypted message. So if you don't know K, so this is not readable message for you. So you cannot expect what was the message. You cannot suppose what was the message. So this K is equal to 3 is our symmetric key. So if sender reveals symmetric key to anyone else who is not receiver, so who would be able to read their message? So symmetric key plays a very important role in cryptography. So we have to secret K is equal to 3 symmetric key. So what is your symmetric key? You have to encrypt, you means secret it. No, without receiver you cannot give anyone to this symmetric key. So here we have converted this numerical into their respective characters. So this is our cipher text. So you cannot read it because it is non-readable. So you cannot read it and tell that this was a message. So without symmetric key this is not possible to read this message. So we have to now to decrypt it. So we will use inverse hash function, which will be used to decrypt message for receiver to readable document. So now we will do a inverse hash functions. So this is inverse hash function which will be used for decrypting message for receiver to convert it into readable text. So H inverse K is equal to P minus K mod 26, where this P is greater than K. So in our case K is equal to 3. So in hash function is P is greater than 3. So we will be use this for it. And if P 0 to K in range, so we will use P plus 26 minus K mod 26. So this is our inverse hash function. From this inverse hash function which we will be converting this text into this text from using this inverse hash function. So this text is numerical plain text. So we will be converting it into a cipher text. So we will be putting specific alphabets to these words. So this will be our original message: send 1 crore money to Goa by road. So this is our previous message. So we can now encrypt this. So we can now able to encrypt it. So this is the pure original message. So if receiver gets symmetric key K is equal to 3, then he would be able to convert this ciphertext into plain text, and this original message he will be able to read it. So this is a original message which was sent by Jay to Mayank. So now Mayank would be able to follow this method. So this is a Caesar cipher cryptography method. So this is a cryptography which is very useful in our daily life. So from my project I have learned more about Caesar cipher cryptography and what is it in use in our daily communication systems. Thank you. This is our mathematical solution of problem, and we will be decrypt this message. So from this conclusion we are at the point that cryptography is very important in our life, and it will be it is useful for our privacy in our life. So Caesar cryptography symmetric key plays an important part, because without it receiver cannot read it and what was the message. So this is my reference, and thank you for visiting my